Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my course. All right, so let me bring it up and let's dive right into it. I'm going to get into today exactly what is in my course, what you'll be learning, and the results that you can expect in the next 30 days. For today, I'm going to be showing you guys in depth what my social media advertising course can do for you and how it can absolutely change your life. So let's dive right into it. So over the past couple months since releasing the course, we have 13 students in. And I talked to one of my students last night. His name is Austin. We talked about a chiropractor that he, literally just talked to. He had a meeting with the other day, and that guy happens to own like a baseball facility. So that could be like a 2 to 4K client a month for him. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on what's going on with him. I'm going to be creating testimonial videos as a playlist on my YouTube channel soon, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Okay. Alright, so let's dive right into my course. So basically, the whole goal of the course is to get your first client within 30 days. But for right now, I think Facebook is absolutely the king, and nobody else is doing this stuff. I'm telling you guys. So when you walk into a business, 9 out of 10 times they're going to tell you that somebody's already running their social media, which is totally cool because what I teach you guys in my course is totally different from just managing their social media. Yeah, managing their social media is cool, but like I don't know if, posting 20 times a day, 20 times a month for a business is going to be, that, fun for you. I think the whole creative aspect of it and the whole paid traffic part of it should be like the main thing that you sell on it. Because when I walk into businesses, I don't really say, does anybody do your social media or whatever? Because like that part's irrelevant to me. I want to know if they have a viral, relevant commercial running. Okay, that's the main thing that I'm trying to figure out from these businesses. So essentially, what you need to express to these business owners is that you can create them a viral commercial to a relevant audience. And I'm going to show you guys literally in module 1 we go over Facebook ads and email marketing. Now email marketing is a way to make your service more expensive, so that say you convince them to give you $1,000 a month, right, to run their Facebook ads and create a commercial for them. Now you can upsell them and go, listen, if you really want to capture these people and get their coupons to their faces for free on a reoccurring basis going forward, like I can set up some email campaigns, I can set up some email marketing softwares, and I literally show you guys in this video step by step how to do that, and that you can instantly double the amount of money that you are initially asking for. So it's very simple, like what I just said. You can ask for 1,000 with the Facebook ads and another 1,000 with the email marketing. Okay, so understanding social media advertising, honestly, is just, I break down the extreme basics. I want you guys to just think of this as super simple. Most social media advertising courses that are out there are super long and complex, and you kind of get overwhelmed. I know I've had this experience in the past. I hate that freaking feeling of feeling like I'm overwhelmed and I don't know what to do. So the goal with my course was to just make it short and easy to understand. So like I'm telling you guys, the main way you're going to make money, the quickest way you're going to start making a 6-figure salary is to get out there on the field and learn how to sell. And that's where module 2 comes in, where the selling mastery aspect of my business this is honestly where I shine the most. I can sell, milk to a cow. I I study the smartest salesmen in the entire world. I think my 2 main sales teachers are Joe Soto and Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort taught me the straight line system, and I kind of go over that a smidge, but I put my own twist on it. And I show you guys, exactly how you can convince them that your service is the most important thing out there right now, and that if they don't take advantage of working with you, that they'll be worried that their competitor is going to pick you up. Because if you think about it, having a Facebook commercial is way better than having a TV commercial. because the Facebook commercial allows you to get a targeted audience of people who are just interested in what that commercial is selling, opposed to a TV commercial where anybody is just watching some random show and it randomly pops up and it doesn't matter. Like I see when I watch News 12 or whatever, if I'm watching the news, I see a bunch of commercials that I just can care less about. But if you're on Facebook and you're looking up, pizzerias and whatnot, that's a great opportunity for a commercial for a pizzeria to just pop up right in your feed. And that's exactly what I show you how to do. And I show you how to explain this to the business owner and why it's so important that it's essential that he hires you. That the only problem that he's going to have is that he didn't hire, that you didn't walk into his store to talk to him to try to close him sooner. So I show you guys exactly what I say to these clients. I give you my exact sales script. You guys can literally click it and then save it to your phone. I got the PDF for you. I teach you how to calm your nerves in the business meeting because this is really, really, really important. You need to, express like that alpha-ness, and you have to come across as the more confident person, asking the questions and showing that you really don't need his business. Like you're okay without it because you have 10 others. I teach you guys how to have that cockiness, that swagger, because that goes a long way in their mind. They think that they can walk all over you and take advantage of you and try to, try to only pay you a little bit of money. The amount of confidence that you bring into the meeting is going to reflect how much money they'll be willing to pay you. 100%. I learned this from trial and error. I've walked into over 200 businesses. The best sales I've ever gotten were the days where I was by far the most confident and I was just clearly spoken. And, my business completely changed when I implemented my sales script. And I brought the sales script with me to make it seem like I was just showing the business owner, like this is just a simple format. But it was really just my script in disguise so that I would nail every single part of the meeting so I wouldn't forget anything important. So, once I started doing this, getting clients was ridiculously easy because I didn't have to worry about thinking about what I was going to have to say. It was just right in front of me, and I could just, focus on my body language. I could focus on my tone. So, this is extremely important for, me exploding my business to where it's at now. So I show you guys how to set up a contract with your client. Very simple. I show you the website that I use and, what you can do to get them on a reoccurring basis, and then how to legalize your business. I'll show you guys how to set up the business. Once you get that first client, you got to worry about legal shit. So obviously this is important. So once you get that first client, then set it up, and then boom, you got yourself a business. Okay. All right. And lastly, you get to book a free call with me. If you guys, if you guys purchase my course for whatever amount that I'm selling it for at the specific time, you will get a free call with me as long as you want. I don't want to rush you off the phone. I want to say, all right, let's figure out what your goals are, who you're going to try to get, how you're going to get them. Like, I really want to have that free call with you. I'm going to have you fill out a little application, fill out some little questionnaire, and then, by the end of that, we will set up the day that is, free for you and free for me. And then, we'll really get a game plan going. And then, 3, 4, 5 months time, you could be running a 6-figure business. So, I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to check out my course. And, hope that this course gives you the utmost value that you're looking for, because that's the one thing I pride myself in, giving you guys, the consumer, as much value as I possibly can. So, thank you so much. Have a good day.